Boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here, and
Lily.
Lily's here too. So what are we going to make today, Lily?
A bird feeder.
We're going to make a bird feeder because today is what day? Do you remember? Today is Earth Day. So we are going to need some supplies. Mrs. Hanson already started one of the things, but that's okay. So we are going to need a toilet paper roll, some string or yarn, scissors, a knife, butter knife or spoon will work, a stick, peanut butter, and a plate with some bird seed on it. So what I already started doing is I poked 2 holes on each side and I strung our string through our toilet paper roll holder. This is we're going to hang up in our tree or on a hook or wherever we're going to put our bird feeder. Then down here, we are going to use our scissors, have an adult do this, and we are going to poke holes down. It could be in the middle, it could be a little bit lower on each side. We are going to poke holes, so eventually we're going to put our stick through these holes because this is where our birds are going to sit on to eat the bird seed off of the bird feeder. So before we put the stick in, and I suggest you do the string, because then you can use the string to have it so you have something to hold on when you're rolling it around. Don't do it afterwards because you're going to have it all peanut buttery and seedy, okay? So Lily, why don't you sit down right here? And what Lily is going to do is she's got her peanut butter and she's got the butter knife. And she's going to get some peanut butter on her butter knife. Get some peanut butter. And then I am going to hold the roll for her, and she's going to put the peanut butter all over the roll. Okay, so start slathering it on there. We want to try to get the peanut butter all over the roll. Try to get it on the top and the bottom too. So when we roll it in the seeds will be able to get all over the roll. See, and I'm just holding the roll for her so she can put the peanut butter, because we want to get the peanut butter all over the roll. And peanut butter is luckily yummy, so we can eat it too. It's okay. Okay, get some more on there. Don't lick the knife, okay? Try to get some up here. Do you want me to smooth it out? Yep. Okay, so Lily's got peanut butter all over our roll, and I'm going to take it so it's all spread out all over the roll. And then what do we get to do next? What are we going to do next?
Roll it in the bird seed.
We're going to roll it in the bird seed. So in order to roll it in the bird seed, we're going to have to hold it all the way around, okay? Can you do that? Okay, so roll it all in our bird seed. Roll it. But you have to put it down on the seed. You have to put it in there. There you go. Make sure you got your seed is all. Let's put some on there. Mix them up and sprinkle it too. So we're going to take it and we're going to sprinkle some of our bird seed so it gets all over that peanut butter. Because that peanut butter is making it so it can stick. The bird seed will stick on there for our bird. Pretty good? So now, perfect. Now we have our toilet paper roll, peanut butter, and seeds. Now I put those holes in beforehand that that's where our stick will go. So then that's where our birds will land. So I will find those holes. I will take my stick and let's see if I can do this easy. Whoop! I lost some seed. And I stuck my stick right there. So that's where the birds will land. and they will get their peanut butter and seeds off of the toilet paper roll to eat. So see how we were able to reuse different items. We would normally recycle or throw this toilet paper roll out. We reused a stick we found in our yard, and we supplied some peanut butter and seeds for the birds to eat. So now we can go hang this up in our yard for the birds to enjoy. So I hope you guys get to do this. It's a little chilly out, but still we can put it outside somewhere safe where our birds can get it and enjoy the seeds. Did you like making that?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you want to put it?
I want to put it where we put the other bird feeder.
So we have another bird feeder in the back that we're going to hang it up by our shed. And we have a hummingbird feeder back there and then a great big bird feeder, huh? So we're going to hang it back there. So I hope you guys had fun, and I want to see if you guys made your bird feeders and where you guys put them in your yard too. So I'll talk to you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys.